Today I'm going to talk about the volunteer plants that are growing in my garden this year. For those who don't know, volunteer plants are those plants that grow on its own, not intentionally or purposely planted. The growing of the volunteer plants are because of the seeds spread by the birds, rabbits, squirrel, and other animals, or by the wind, or even from the seeds in the compost. The first volunteer plant that grows in my area is the bok choy, or pechay, because this is a cool, loving plant. I can see them growing in the late part of February here in zone 7B. The second one is the cosmos. When these plants are very small, they look like tomato seedlings. Then I get sunflowers. There's a volunteer sunflower near the apple tree. It is even taller than the tree. It grew from that milk crate, and the soil level is only half the length of the crate. I have to reinforce the plant. One of the biggest surprise was the zucchini plants. They grow in the month of March. I thought they were kale or kohlrabi because that's where the plants I planted last year. I have to harvest these zucchinis today. Do I cultivate the volunteer plants? Of course I do, because these plants are getting acclimatized in my weather. So maybe in the coming years I'll be having these plants without me purposely planting them. When the weather started to warm up, marigold, basil. I'm going to plant this red Reuben basil so that next year I can get some volunteer plants, hopefully. Tomatoes, petunias, and more petunias are the usual volunteer plants that grew in my zone. I knew that this variety is coming back because they only die in the month of January. They were planted in this pot, and then when I saw the new growth, I was not surprised. I planted this variety of petunia last year, but I did not get any volunteer plants. But when I planted them in the front yard, I was able to get some. My new volunteer plants this year are the Asian long beans, bell peppers, cayenne peppers, watermelon, squash,